Buildables. In my last video I made the sketching machine, so today I'll be making a weighing machine. So these are the parts, like there's some sponge thing, then there's some stickers for the weight, then there's like a spring, rubber bands and a hook, then there's this part, there's this big part, there's this big part, there's this thing, this thing, this thing, this thing, it's sandpaper, and this thing. So stay tuned in this video. So watch till the end, then you'll be able to see the full build. So guys, I finished the weighing machine scale build. So it was very easy to make. Like one hard part about it was like that spring part, and inside this thing, this part, it was a little hard to align and make. So I am going to be weighing these three things, and with this you can measure in pounds and grams. So I have put it in pounds. You can switch it from pounds to grams or to kilos. And now I'm going to be weighing this. Okay, how much? It is 5 pounds. This is 2 pounds. This is 2.5 pounds. So it was very fun to make, and I highly recommend it. I would rate it. The rating for this is a 5 out of 5. Okay, and the difficulty level is 2, so it was really easy to make. It's like much easier than the sketching machine which was in the last video. So next video and next build that I'm making is the infinity calendar. The infinity calendar is very cool because you can change the date on the calendar. Like you can change the month and date. So stay tuned for my next video because I'm going to be building this next.